So in this case, because I want to get rid of the denominator from both sides, and I have an equal sign in the middle, okay, I can actually cross multiply, right? So I can multiply this whole thing, and I can multiply the 3 by this whole side, okay? It's called cross multiplication. That will only work, eyes on me, if I have an equal sign in the middle and my fraction is all over the numerators, okay? So if this is the case right here, if I have this, that should be D. I can't do the cross multiplication. This is not right, okay? Because you see that my denominator here is not all over the D minus 8. I can't do it, okay? So this will work if I actually have this case where I have the denominator all over the numerator, okay? Another way that we discussed earlier is that if I want to get rid of that division by 3, I have to multiply by 3. So when I do that, I have to do it to both sides, which gives me D minus 8 equals to 3 D plus 4 over 2. Yeah? And then to get rid of that division by 2, I have to multiply by 2. And that gets rid of this, which gives me 2D minus 8 equals to 3D plus 4. Okay? So this is the math behind it, right? Another way that you can actually do the cross multiplication, and it's going to give you exactly the same answer. So if I take this and I do cross multiplication, I'm going to end up with the same thing, you see? Right? So it's up to you. Whatever you feel more comfortable with, you can do. You either do cross multiplication, as long as you remember, you can only do it if you have an equal sign and you have the denominator all over the numerator. Which one do you guys want me to leave on the board? The cross multiplication is easier, yeah? Okay? Now after I did the cross multiplication, in order for me to be able to isolate for D, I have to expand first, right? So I have to do my distributive property that we did yesterday. So 2D minus 16 equals to 3D plus 12. I did my distributive property, right? And now I have to collect like terms. So I have to put the D's on one side. I have to put the numbers on the other side. Are we okay with this step here with the distributive property? Okay. Now, I can move the D's to this side if you want, or I can move the D's to the right. Doesn't matter. I usually like to move to the bigger D value. So I like to move the 2D over to the right. So I have negative 16. Bring the 12 over. That becomes negative 12 equal to 3D. And bring the 2D over. That becomes minus 2D. So that's going to give me negative 28 equals to D. And that is my final answer. It doesn't matter which side you bring them to, right? You might end up with an extra step. That's it.